Hey everybody, and welcome to my in5 series where I cover a topic in about 5 minutes. Alex Goodson writes in and asks if you can pass audio from the Roland P-6 to the SP404 mk2 using a USB-C cable. And the answer to that, unfortunately, is no. And the reason is that both of these are class compliant audio devices, which means to a computer or something that will present itself as a computer that has the drivers basically to be able to connect to these. You need something that can do that. These are both devices. So the Roland P6, it will show up as a sound card basically in your computer, as well as the SP404 mk2. It will basically show up as a sound card and allow you to send audio and MIDI back and forth between the two devices, but you need a computer or an iPad or an iPhone or Android device. I need to get one so I can test some of the things at some point. But there is one device in particular, which is the OP1, that will actually is kind of interesting because for it, the US, let's see if I get the camera to pick it up. It doesn't really want to focus, but right here, this USB port, the USB-C port, it's interesting because basically the OP1 will decide if it wants to present itself to another device as a USB-C device or as a USB-C host. So it can act as basically a computer. It does have the drivers in place so that you can use the OP1 to mount up and connect to the SP404 mk2. Whoops, didn't mean to tap that. Or the P6, and it can do this with other devices. So yeah, basically you're going to need something that will be a USB-C host, unfortunately, and the list of those is long, and as well as the things that are USB devices. So I know that doesn't really help you with the answer that you want or probably looking for, but you'll need something in between, whether it's a computer or some other device that can do that. But yeah, you still have your normal TRS cables. You can connect between the two and still hook them up together, no problem. Anyway, I hope that helps you out. Thanks for the question. Thanks for everybody for stopping by. Keep making music, keep having fun. Remember, if it sounds good, it is good. And peace.